emergency creek run. Got notification that the creek's going to be busting at the seams tonight. So, I'm going to come get my box. So I suggest anybody that might have a sluice box or equipment, dredge or otherwise, stashed in the creek anywhere down here in the southeast, I suggest you make sure your stuff's tied down or you go get it out of there ASAP. Because it ain't never no fun losing your boxes, your dredges, or your shovels. So, oh, scheiße. No. Gotta do this without getting totally soaked. Yeah, I hide my stuff at the creek. That way I ain't gotta carry it around all the time. Got my shovel right there. Didn't even see that orange handle, did you? No, boxes right there. Now, don't y'all be trying to come find my creek and get my boxes now. Alright. Fun. Didn't want to have to come out here for this today, but I don't feel like losing my stuff. Alright, y'all. Hurricane coming in. Get your stuff up out of the creek or you're going to lose it. Don't want to lose it. Yeah. So, heavy pans, stay dry, stay warm, save your equipment.